All right, this episode of Bullish and Bearish, I have a couple of topics I want to see what you think about them.
Okay.
All right, say electric F-150s.
I'd buy one right now. Can I buy one right now? Bullish. I'd buy one right now.
Yeah, I don't think you can. There's a capacitor issue. I think that's holding it back. Have you seen the dealership?
No.
They're empty. There's a capacitor.
I hear they're like reorganizing cars on the lot to make it look like they have more cars. But I don't know. Like, can I buy an electric F-150? Electric F-150. I'd buy one right now, and then just turn it in. And then just turn it in when I get my Tesla. F-150 Lightning. Let's see, the all new. Let's see. Allow me to reserve now. Okay, forget it.
All right.
Bearish. I want it now.
Gotcha. AMC.
I just shorted 200 shares right now
Nice.
at $56. I just shorted it. That's funny that you say that. Bearish. I think that it's potentially a $100 stock, but practically speaking, they diluted the shares. It's not worth that much. They're out of shares to sell to the public. I don't think they have any more shares left to sell. I think it goes down here. I think it goes down to $44. It's I don't know what the date is.
Right.
June.
Somewhere in June, yes. Cryptocurrency.
Oh, this is a tough one. I actually think that we are in. I'm neutral. I'm neutral right now. I'd hold everything that I have. I wouldn't buy any more, and I certainly wouldn't bet against it. And I don't think that we're out of the woods on the fears that people have of China over-regulating it or restricting it or the U.S. government getting involved. It's hard for me to imagine a scenario in which Bitcoin doesn't go to 100,000 if 10 of the biggest companies in the S&P 500 take 0.5% of their cash and put it into Bitcoin, which is not unreasonable, and it probably is already happening. You would see 65, 70,000 right off the bat, and then retail people are going to carry it the rest of the way.
Nice.
And I think as Bitcoin goes the rest of it. I still own Dogecoin. I still own Algo. I still own some of the other kind of obscure ones. I still own some of the hype coin, Shiba Inu, whatever that little the dog coin of the dog coin of the dog coin. I still own that, but
Okay.
I'm not real sure that I should.
Right.
I own like 24 million of those. I don't know if that's a really good idea.
Just hold on to it, right?
Right.
Summer vacation.
It's a sore topic with me. I feel like I don't really know. I feel like I don't really understand how to relax, and I feel I don't want to go anywhere by myself anymore. So if we have a viewer that's up for a summer vacation, I'm down for that. I mean, I'll take my kids somewhere, but I would like to travel with someone reliable. Like it could be a guy. I mean, you just can't be weird.
Right.
It could be a guy. Preferably not, but I mean, I would like to travel. I would like to take a summer vacation. That sounds interesting to me. So I'm bearish right now, summer vacation. I don't have one planned. I want to go on one, but I don't have it planned. And I don't want to plan everything all the time.
Right.
I don't want to be in charge of everything anymore. I'm also bullish on whining, if you can, you've picked up on this.
All right. Let's do Amex. AMX.
Oh, like
The stock.
the stock for the American Express.
Yes.
That is really, my American Express card balance right now is $24,490. So I'm going to say that I think a lot of credit lines during the stimulus money and the return of the economy, the credit card debt is at a low. So I'm bearish Amex's stock right now. But if we continue, like a year from now, I'm pretty bullish. But I mean, right now, I mean, it's people actually have a lot of credit. They've paid down their cards. I just happen to always do the opposite of whatever most people are doing. And I've been redecorating the apartment. And it's like, look, I'm kind of at the tail end of that, but I gotta pay that now.
Looks nice.
Thank you.
The new
Thank
apartment
you. I
looks
appreciate
wonderful.
that. We should pop in a photo of that right
Yeah,
there.
right here.
Right.
All right. Hamburgers.
So I got COVID. I got it. I no longer had a taste for hamburgers or pizza until recently. But even then, I don't want Whataburger. Whataburger seems gross to me. And I don't want Del Frisco's hamburgers, which I used to eat all the time. They're not even appealing to me whatsoever. Strangely enough, I have this craving for Burger King hamburgers, and I think Burger King is disgusting.
Oh wow.
I think Burger King is absolutely disgusting.
Right.
But I have a craving for a Burger King hamburger. You know what? I'm gonna go after we record this. I'm gonna go get a Burger King hamburger, and I'm gonna record what I think about it. We'll break, record, and then we'll pop in there.
Awesome. Sounds like a great idea. All right, pharmaceutical stocks.
Wait, I didn't say if I was bullish or bearish.
No, you
I'm
didn't.
neutral. I'm neutral because I can't find. I used to like all hamburgers equally, and now I'm kind of into grilled chicken sandwiches. And you
Okay.
know this, that once I start eating something, I can't stop eating
Right.
it continually and over again.
Right. Chicken stocks are going to go up.
Chicken stocks.
Right. Burger King stocks are going to go up. Because
I don't know if Burger King is a
Probably
publicly
not.
traded company.
But if it was, hey, Burger King, go public.
I'm way into Taco Bell right now.
Oh yes.
The late night Taco Bell thing, because since February and ending now, since February, I've been staying up until 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning on a regular, consistent basis. And that's got to end. That has to end. And Taco Bell's a real winner at that time of night.
Right.
Taco Bell's your best friend at that time of night. Jack in the Box too, but Jack in the Box, you might as well. Jack in the Box, you throw your stuff away in the trash can, and then it goes down a tube, and then it comes back up inside the kitchen, and then just recook it or whatever. So.
Okay.
And that's not actually. Don't sue me, Jack in the Box.
Right.
I actually had one of your munchie meals late at night the other night. It wasn't too bad. The fries not my favorite.
Right.
Okay.
Pharmaceutical stocks.
Ultra bullish. 10 years from now, we will look back and say this was the golden age of pharmaceuticals, because this is also the golden age of people like me getting older. If you could prescribe to me a pill for every single thing that annoys me about my health, I would take every single one of those pills. I don't care. And a once a day pill? I'm way into that. I'm way into the once a day thing.
Awesome. All right. And then let's do the drink Sex on the Beach.
Never had the drink.
Okay. All right. Gotcha. All right. That kind of sums up my bullish and bearish.